Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best mono leader is probably one of the most underappreciated pieces of fishing tackle. It's the invisible connection between you and that trophy fish, and choosing the right one can make all the difference. Today, we're diving deep into the world of mono leader lines, exploring their strengths, weaknesses, and how to pick the perfect one for your next fishing adventure. Get ready to learn everything you need to know about this essential gear. Number 5. Berkley Trilene Big Game Fishing Line. This heavy-duty fishing line is designed for incredible durability and reliability. It offers great value, ensuring you get the most out of every fishing trip. This mono fishing line uses a special formula for unmatched toughness. It gives you more confidence and control, no matter where you are fishing. This durable line has a break strength of 8 pounds. The clear color makes it easy to see in the water. It also comes in a 1,700 yards length. You won't have to worry about your knots. This line locks into place when tied. It has durable holding power, so it won't fail you when you are fighting big fish. It comes in a wide range of strengths, from 8 to 130 pounds. The diameter is 0.011 inches, which ensures exciting fights end well. What we like. This line boasts unmatched toughness, giving you the confidence to reel in any catch. Its high strength ensures you won't lose the big one. If you're looking for a reliable line that can handle any fishing situation, you should consider this one. What people say. This is very good mono, strong, and the pink floral virtually disappears in the water. It's easy to tie knots for my terminal tackle and has enough give so that sudden strikes don't snap it. The big game 8 pounds really holds my knots good. Number 4. Berkley Trilene Big Game Fishing Line. Introducing Berkley Trilene Big Game, the heavy-duty fishing line. It's designed for incredible durability, reliability, and value. This line ensures you won't let the big ones get away. This mono fishing line uses a special formula for unmatched toughness. It gives you more confidence and control in any fishing situation. You can rely on it to handle whatever comes your way. This durable line has a break strength of 8 pounds and a length of 1,700 yards. The clear color makes it easy to see in the water. It's built to perform and help you land your catch. Never worry about your knots failing. This line locks into place when tied, providing durable holding power. It won't let you down when you're fighting a big fish. Available in break strengths from 8 to 130 pounds. With a diameter of 0.011 inches, it ensures exciting fights end successfully. This line is ready for any challenge. What we like. This line boasts unmatched toughness, giving you the confidence to reel in any catch. Its high strength ensures you won't lose the big one. If you're looking for a reliable line that can handle any fishing situation, you should consider this one. What people say. This is very good mono, strong, and the pink floral virtually disappears in the water. It's easy to tie knots for my terminal tackle and has enough give so that sudden strikes don't snap it. The big game 8 pounds really holds my knots good. Number 3. KastKing DuraBlend Mono Leader, Saltwater Fishing. Introducing the KastKing DuraBlend, a top-tier monofilament leader. This leader is incredibly strong and ranks high in tensile strength. It's designed to give you the edge in your fishing adventures. The DuraBlend is built to last. It's one of the most durable and abrasion-resistant mono leaders available. This means it can withstand tough conditions and keep you in the game. Experience extreme fighting power with this leader. It boasts great shock strength, excellent abrasion resistance, and high knot strength. This leader is made to handle the fight. Enjoy low stretch and outstanding clarity with the DuraBlend. These features provide the properties anglers expect in a high-quality leader. It helps you stay connected to your catch. This leader features very low memory, remaining soft and flexible. It maintains a high tensile strength to diameter ratio, giving you more reel capacity. This allows you to fight hard-charging game fish. The DuraBlend leader line up to 100 pounds test comes in an innovative keeper package. This protects the line and affords quick, tangle-free availability. It maximizes your efficiency on the water. What we like. This leader is incredibly abrasion resistant, perfect for tough fishing environments. It also has low memory, preventing frustrating tangles. If you're targeting big game fish and need a leader that can withstand the fight, it's a great choice. What people say. This leader landed approximately 10 stripers, 10 bluefish and 2 albies with 0 issues. I did not have to replace it all day, and although I will replace it next time I go out, it is probably perfectly fine to use again. It ties a very sturdy knot and holds strong. I will be using this for my leaders from now on. Knots held well with no apparent loss of strength. The KastKing leader appears to be of very similar quality to the expensive leader I bought. Knots I have tied with this leader are equally as strong and hold well. Number 2. Triple Fish Monofilament Leader. This is a versatile fishing leader. You can use it with mono as your main line, or when fishing for soft-mouthed fish. It's also great for shallow water or big game fishing. This leader is strong and tough. It's made with quality monofilament that can handle the wear and tear of bottom bouncing, surf fishing, and trolling. This leader offers a reliable combination of value and quality. It's designed to perform well in various fishing situations, giving you confidence on the water. This leader gives you great value for your money. It's perfect for anglers who want to save money without sacrificing quality. The camo color helps it blend in with the environment. This makes it an excellent choice for fishing, as it can be less visible to fish under certain conditions. What we like. This leader is a versatile choice for various fishing techniques. It's abrasion resistant, making it ideal for bottom bouncing and surf fishing. If you're an angler looking for a cost-effective yet quality leader, this is the one for you. What people say. This is great leader and rig line. It is strong, cast well and easy to tie. I make my own leaders out of this stuff and it is great. Number 1. Monofilament Fishing Leader Kit 100 yards 1.4 mm to 200 pounds. This kit includes everything you need for a strong and reliable fishing leader. It features 100 yards of clear monofilament line, perfect for various fishing conditions. It's a great choice for anglers. The kit's monofilament leader is designed for durability and strength. The clear line helps to reduce visibility underwater, increasing your chances of a successful catch. This leader is built to withstand the pressure of large fish. Included are 25 aluminum crimp sleeves, essential for securing your line. These sleeves provide a secure and reliable connection, preventing slippage. They are easy to use and ensure a strong hold. The kit also comes with 5 spring loop protectors. These protectors help to prevent wear and tear on your line. They extend the life of your leader and improve its performance. With this kit, you'll have all the necessary components for creating effective fishing leaders. It's a must-have for any angler looking to improve their setup. Get yours today and enhance your fishing experience. What we like. This leader offers high strength for those challenging catches. The clear color makes it less visible underwater. If you need a strong and discreet leader with added convenience, this kit is a perfect option. What people say. Good line, includes everything to make a leader. Diameter of fish line is as advertised. Clear and transparent line. Nicely packaged, coiled loosely in a large plastic envelope as shown in the ad, not wrapped onto a spool, which would likely result in it setting in a too tightly coiled condition to straighten out well. Crimp clips included. I've been using this leader from Catch All Tackle for 3 years now. Our primary fishing is deep water bottom fishing. We have had 0% failure with this leader. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.